How to add a white outline in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a white outline to a picture and to add a white background. Okay, so first up you are going to choose your photo. You can click on the photo and you're going to click on edit photo. First you're going to use the background remover and then you're going to scroll down to the shadows option. Click on outline and you will see it gives you a black outline. Now here you can control the size of the outline, and if you scroll down you can control the color as well, and you just choose the white color. There we go, and there you have a white outline. Now to change the background, you just click on the background and you click on the color above and you click on white, and there you have the white background as well. To save the image, you just click on share and download, and you can choose the PNG option. Don't choose the transparent background and click download. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.